Eric Muathe, themuathe.com, with another Muathe Gap Up Indicator video. And we're taking a look here at an example of a stock that had an explosive move on this particular day, being May 19th, 2015. The stock was up an amazing 207% at the close of the day. And it is important to note here that as the stock had a nice day, it managed to push its daily RSI above 69.1. So that was one indication that the market was having a very strong move or pushing the stock to very strong levels. The move above 69.10 was very sharp. So we know that this is a very strong stock with a sharp angle of penetration. Also sharp angle of penetration as the stock jumped above 50. That was the reason why we had a very nice gain of about 207%. Now if we take a look at the same time, let's take a look at what the weekly charts look like. Actually, this is now the 5-minute chart, but let's go to the weekly. At the conclusion of that day, again May 19th, 2015, you can see a very sharp angle of penetration on the weekly as the stock jumped above 69.1. There was also another sharp angle of penetration, which I call MAP. So you can look for this on my channel, the Muathe angle of penetration, or MAP. And it's the phenomena where stock will tell you how powerful it is by way in which it pierces through the 69.1 level and sometimes also through the 50 level of the RSI. So here we see again stock trading above 69.1, having a massive move for the week, up 220%. Let's take a look at the next chart here, and now we're taking a look at the monthly. This is as of May 19th, 2015. We can see that the stock managed to move its monthly RSI to all-time highs. So it is doing an ultimate Muathe breakout. All-time highs move there at the conclusion of that move. And we can also see that at the same time, the MACDs were also trading at all-time highs. So the MACD was breaking out after that one-day move. And we also see that the other MACD, both MACDs were breaking out to all-time highs, and one of the MACDs was actually moving above zero. So we see that it also meets our minimum requirements in terms of the ultimate Muathe breakout. Let's fast forward. In fact, let's go back to the previous chart, which is the monthly. As you know, for the Muathe Gap Up Indicator, we want the stock to close the day, and this is what happened. The stock closed the day with its RSI above 69.1. That is an indication that there is a potential for a gap up. Remember, that's the principle here. You want to find a stock that had a nice day and also managed to hold above 69.1. Whenever you see this, that it is holding at the close above 69.1 after a very strong day, then you know that the stock could gap up. So anybody who was buying the stock at the close, at the highs of the day, up 207, was taking a calculated risk that the stock could gap up. And the close there was at about 160. So let's go to the chart here. The next day, we can see the stock added another 300%. So this is now May 20th, 2015, after we had the gap up indicator. So let's go back to the gap up indicator. And what was the gap up indicator here? We see that the stock closed above 69.1 at the conclusion of May 19th, and then on this next day it gapped up, and the low for the day was 195. The high for the day was 647. And that's how you can see that also there's a continuation of the MAP, or the Muathe angle of penetration, on the daily as the stock continues showing move above 69.1 on the daily. So sharp angle of penetration was the at least giving you an idea that the stock looked good in terms of momentum and the thrust. We also see here that on the weekly, after the May 20th move, the stock was now up 1,000% for the week. So 1,000% gain, and if you play the gap up indicator, you would have been in the stock at the conclusion here at $1.60, hoping for a gap up because the RSI had closed right there. RSI had closed above 69.10, and because of that gap up indicator, you had a chance of owning a stock that was up 200-300% the following day, after it had already gained 200% the previous day. Otherwise, that's it. And to wrap up, a very simple principle: whenever you see a stock that had a nice day and you want to play it and you're not sure, you can take the calculated risk. Remember, it's a risk that if the RSI, like it did here, closes above 69.1, you need to at least consider going long, with the idea that the stock gaps up, because in this particular example, the Moathe gap up indicator led to a nice gap up, and the stock went on to record 200-300% in the first couple of hours of the subsequent follow-up day. Eric Moathe, good luck, peace, and blessings. Woo!